Hello and welcome to Cook Security Group's Cook Command Center tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate to the RemoteView ATM page. So when you log in to Cook Security Group's Command Center, what you'll see is a locations map as well as 4 interactive tabs up above. First tab's location. Second tab is Security Open Service Orders. Next is ATM Open Service Orders. And lastly, you'll see Preventative Maintenance Service Orders. As long as your organization has RemoteView platforms with Cook Security Group, you will see these RemoteView modules down below. What we're going to do is we're going to click into the RemoteView ATM and open up the dashboard. So the RemoteView ATM dashboard is very similar to the Customer View dashboard. You're going to see all your ATMs that you have RemoteView with us, as well as 2 interactive tabs above. You're also going to see an interactive guide on the right-hand side showing you how many ATMs are online and how many are offline. If you scroll down below, you'll see those ATMs listed out in an org chart. Each one of these organizational charts is interactive as well. So if I click into the first one, as you can see, there's ATM detail, ticket history, EJ history, ATM backup, and ATM activity. You'll have these for every one of your guys' ATMs. If you click into the ATM detail, it's going to give you a brief description of that ATM itself. If I go into ticket history, it would show me the last 10 tickets that this ATM has provided. You can click into the detail and it's going to actually take you into that ticket. Going further, you can see EJ history. So you can see the last 10 EJs of this particular ATM machine. And then lastly, ATM backup and ATM activity. These typically will be blank unless you're working on an older ATM. This is an older platform for those two. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.